तो आइए शुरू करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 पार्ट नंबर 3. As the question number 4 says that find out these pair of linear equations are consistent or inconsistent. If consistent, then find the value of x and y graphically. So इस क्वेश्चन में हम ग्राफ मेथड भी सीखेंगे कि किस तरह से हमें ग्राफ मेथड को सॉल्व करना होता है for the pair of linear equation in two variable. So first of all, compare with a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equals to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equals to 0. We get a1 is equals to 2, b1 is equals to 1, c1 is equals to minus 6, a2 is equals to 4, b2 is equals to minus 2 and c2 is equals to minus 4. Here the ratio a1 by a2 gives 1 by 2 and the ratio b1 by b2 is minus 1 by 2. So clearly we can say that a1 by a2 not equals to b1 by b2. So the pair of linear equations are consistent. और जैसे कि आपको स्क्रीन में कुछ फार्मूलाज दिख रहे होंगे कि जहाँ हमारे पास रेशो a1 बाई a2 नॉट इक्वल्स टू b1 बाई b2 होता है, उस कंडीशन में पेयर ऑफ लीनियर इक्वेशंस के जो सॉल्यूशंस होते हैं, सॉल्यूशंस उसमें हमारे पास होते हैं यूनिक सॉल्यूशंस. So taking equation number first, find the value of one variable in terms of other variable. ये शायद हम क्लास 9th में कुछ इस तरह का कर चुके हैं, मैं आपको याद दिला देता हूँ. देखते जाइए, आपको समझ में आना स्टार्ट हो जाएगा. ध्यान दीजिएगा, चेक कर लीजिए. y इक्वल्स टू ट्रांसफ़र कीजिए +6 एंड दिस वन -2x. Put x is equals to 0, we get y is equals to 6 minus 2 into 0, 2 into 0 0, so we get y is equals to 6. And if you put x is equals to 2, then we get y is equals to 6 minus 2 into 2, y is equals to 2. If we put x is equals to 0, we get y is equals to 6. If we put x is equals to 2, so we get y is equals to 2. So the table becomes x0, पहले हमने 0 पुट किया था, फिर हमने x is equals to 2 पुट किया. The value on x is equals to 0, the value of y is 6, and with the x is equals to 2, the value of y is 2. So now we will do same with this equation, which is equation number 2. 4x is equals to, transfer both the values, find the value of x in terms of y, 4 plus 2y. So x is equals to 4 plus 2y by 4. Now put the value of y, put y is equals to 0, we get x is equals to 4 plus 2 into 0 upon 4. 2 into 0 is 0, so we get 4 upon 4, which is 1. Again put y is equals to minus 2, we get x is equals to 4 plus 2 into minus 2 upon 4. So this is 4 minus 4 by 4, we get 0. So table becomes this is x, this is y. We put y is equals to 0 first, and we put y is equals to minus 2. On y is equals to 0, the value of x is 1, and on the value of y is equals to minus 2, we get x is equals to 0. X is equals to 0. Now represent these values on the Cartesian plane, and we get the value of x and y where it intersect. So as you can see from the graph, these two lines are intersecting at point A, in which x is equals to 2 and y is equals to 2. We get x is equals to 2 and y is equals to 2, which is a unique solution. To verify, taking equation number first, which is 2x plus y minus 6 is equals to 0, and put x is equals to 2 and y is equals to 2 here. 2, y is 2, 6 is equals to 0, 2 to the 4 plus 2, 6 minus 6 is equals to 0. So x is equals to 2 and y is equals to 2 is a unique solution. It's a unique solution for the given pair of linear equations. Thank you.